white lies perilous, sweet as poison, fell ill from your kiss. I got drunk off your demons, one sipping I'm lovesick, built a home turned to ruins. Followed you into the night, couldn't let you leave what you leave on. Nothing less come to light, come daylight.
Hey there, car folks, it's your DCS back again, and in today's Hot Wheels series, we've got a very cool race car. It's got 3 out of 10 in HW Race Day, and it's not the same without the Hot Wheels Flame. This is a genuine race car. It is a very lightweight French sports car, guys. It's none other than the Alpine A110 CUP, the perfect race car. Actually, the Alpine A110 also looks pretty similar, but this one is the race car edition, except for the decals. It just misses a few decals. Right on that, it's so damn similar, and it doesn't look much like a race car too, but it is amazing, guys. I really like it. And also, if you're willing to buy the Alpine A110 CUP, you better be fast, because they are limiting the production numbers to about 20 race cars, so you better be fast in purchasing one. And also, what makes this car so cool, it has a power to weight ratio of 3.9 kilograms per horsepower, so that is the best part in this. And also, it is a genuine race car made for the Europeans' greatest racetracks right here. So that is the Alpine A110 CUP for you. And we just discussed the information a bit later. First, let me just tell you about the previous video which I uploaded. It was the Shelby GT500, the perfect muscle car. Check it out, it'll be up in the screen right here. Alright, today we don't have the quiz, but unfortunately we have got the viewers' cars. It is from our best friend Daman. She has sent us this image right here. So the first car right here is the Chevrolet TMGM. I just got the name from Google, and it is a custom car, so I can't say much about it. And the next one is the 16 Angels. So thank you, Danush, for sending us the image. I really appreciate that. And you too can send your image, guys. It'll be in the description. You can send it to my Gmail. So why don't we just go for the information now? Oh sorry, it is the unboxing. So let's go for the unboxing. And now, guys, as the car is out of the box, it's time for the looks and details. So the Alpine A110 CUP is out of the box, and look at its front end. The first thing I want to talk about is its details. So you have the headlamp detailing, but it misses the fog lamps detailing, and the grille is wide, empty right there, so it's not so damn cool at the front. And moving on to the decals, well, you have it is pretty nice, but when it's misaligned, it's not that nice. You have the number 36 there, it's kind of like okay. And the wheel rims, the gloss black wheel rims, I really like them. It kind of suits this car because of its black tint too. I don't know whether the interior is black or the tint is black, but the interior is kind of nice. You have your mid-engine right here, and both sides decals are misaligned, which is kind of disappointing. Well, yeah, the interior is kind of black, and at the rear you haven't got much because it's empty. You have no tail lamp detailing, at least you have the car outs, and the exhaust is very tiny. So yeah, and at the bottom you have only a plain Alpine A110 name down there and the Hot Wheels logo, and it's pretty much empty down there. So that's about it in this car, guys. So why don't we just go for the information of it. So now, guys, it is time to chat about the Alpine A110 CUP right here, because it is the information of this amazing race car, the Alpine A110 CUP. So let's just start off with the body style at first. The body style is a two-door coupe. Moving on to its production. The production began very recently, guys. It began at 2017 and it's still continuing at the present. Talking about its horsepower, in the normal Alpine A110, you get 250 horses, whereas in the Alpine A110 CUP, you get 270 horsepower. That is a pretty average difference. Talking about its engine, the engine is similar, guys. It is the 1.8 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder, which is also called as the TCE-M5P, which sounds like a CD player. Well, yeah, and this car is a rear-wheel drive. Moving on to its transmission, well, the transmission in the Alpine A110 CUP is a 6-speed sequential transmission. It's not your dual clutch auto. Well, going for the width, guys, the width of this car is 1,798 millimeters. Well, going for the weight, the curved weight of this car is 1,050 kilograms, whereas in the usual A110, you have 1,103 kilograms. That's about 50 kilograms of difference, so it's nice. Well, going for the length of this car is 4,178 millimeters. Talking about the 0-60 time, it does it in 4.5 seconds. That is pretty nice for a lightweight sports car. Talking about the top speed of this car is 251 kilometers per hour. That is an impressive top speed. Going for the price, the last part, guys, in the information, well, the price of the Alpine A110 CUP is £100,000 without tax. So that is some money to pay for a race car. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the end of the information. Now it's time for the ratings. So let's go for the ratings now. Well, looking at all of its looks and details and its performance, obviously, I give it a 7.5, guys. So a 7.5. Why? Because of its details. Its details is a bit lacking, so that's why. So it is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate that you have come to here, though. Well, enjoy your weekend, guys. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for that. Bye-bye now. Enjoy your weekend. See you next time.